Good day everyone. This video is related to the card game Chinese poker. Here in the Philippines, we call it Pusoy. This particularly answer the question, what is the probability of getting a flush upon dealing 13 cards from a deck of 52 playing cards? For those who were not familiar with the term flush, it means 5 cards containing the same suit. 5 clubs, 5 spades, 5 diamonds, or 5 hearts. Sa mga marunong magpusoy, dito i-compute natin kung gaano ba kataas yung tsansa na makakakuha tayo ng pluses kapag naglalaro tayo ng pusoy. Mataas kaya or mababa lang yung tsansa? Yan yung sasagutin ng video natin. I haven't seen this problem before in books and in the internet. If I'm not mistaken, this will be the first time that this type of problem will be posted. But of course, correct me if I'm wrong. To solve this problem, we're going to use two methods. In this video, I'll be using the long method, and on my next video will be the shorter one. In the long method of solution, we're going to list down all 13 cards combination that contains a flush. Let's begin with the hand of cards that contains exactly 5 cards of the same suit. First is 5-4-4, 5-4-3-1. Why is that 5-4-4 and why is that 5-4-3-1? 5 plus 4 plus 4 is 13. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 is also 13. And in this problem, we are dealing with 13 cards. 5 cards of the same suit, 4 cards of the same suit, and another 4 cards of the same suit. 5 cards of the same suit, 4 cards of the same suit, 3 cards of the same suit, and 1 card of another suit. Next is 5-4-2-2, 5-3-3-2. We're not going to list down yet the 5-8, 5-7-1, 5-6-2, and so on. Simply because those cards already contains 2 flush. And on this part, we're going to deal with sets of cards that contains 1 flush only. For cards that contains 2 flush, we're going to deal with that later. Next is to determine how many options this combination may have. In doing that, this becomes 13 combination of 5 times 13 combination of 4 times 13 combination of 4 times. We're going to leave this blank and discuss that later. This is 13 combination of 5 times 13 combination of 4 times 13 combination of 3 times 13 combination of 1 times. Why is that 13 combination of 5 times 13 combination of 4 times 13 combination of 4? For every suit, we have a total of 13 cards, and on this part, we're going to get 5. That is why 13 combination of 5. Here, we're going to get 4, 13 combination of 4. Same as here, we're going to get 4, 13 combination of 4. On the second part, here, we're going to get 5, 13 combination of 5, 4, 13 combination of 4, 3, 13 combination of 3, and 13 combination of 1. Same principle implies here, 13 combination of 5 times 13 combination of 4 times 13 combination of 2 times 13 combination of 2 times. We're not going to raise this to the power of 2. Instead, we're going to write it in full. Next is 13 combination of 5 times 13 combination of 3 times 13 combination of 3 times 13 combination of 2 times. What we're going to write here is the number of times can 4 suits be interchanged into this combination. This is what I'm trying to say. Let's use the second part in discussing this. That is 5-4-3-1. That's the second part. This can be diamond, spade, hearts, and clubs. 5 diamonds, 4 spades, 3 hearts, and 1 clubs. But this can also be spade, diamond, hearts, clubs. 5 spade, 4 diamonds, 3 hearts, and 1 clubs. The question is, how many times can these 4 suits be interchanged into this combination? For those who already know the principle of permutation and combination, this is as simple as 4 factorial. That is 4 factorial. For the third part, which is 5-4-2-2, this is quite the same as the second part. It covers all 4 suits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, therefore, that is 4 factorial. But, a number is being repeated twice, divided by 2 factorial. 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Same as here, it covers all 4 suits. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a number being repeated twice. 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. The first part is a bit different from the rest. Simply because it covers all 4 suits. Oh, no. It covers only 3 suits. 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 4. And one thing more, a number is being repeated twice. So therefore, the point of analysis begins here. When you assign one suit for 5, there will be 3 more left for the 4-4 combination. And out of that 3, we're going to get only 2. That becomes 3 combination of 2. For 5, we can assign 4 suits here. It can either be heart, spade, diamond, or clubs. That becomes 4 times 3 combination of 2. Or you may use the formula for permutation of 3. We have a total of 4 suits and then we're going to get only 3. 1, 2, 3. For permutation of 3. A number being repeated twice divided by 2 factorial. Both of these are just the same. In this problem, we're going to use this one. 4 times 3 combination of 2. Next, we're going to get the product of this. We'll illustrate the first 2. That is 13 combination of 5 times 13 combination of 4 times 13 combination of 4 times 4 times 3 combination of 2. We have 7 billion 895,358,900. Next is 13 combination of 5 times 13 combination of 4 times 13 combination of 3 times 13 combination of 1 times 4 factorial. That is equal to 82,111,732,560. For the next 2, we have, this is 67,182,326,640. And the last one, 98,534,079,072. Getting the sum of this, we have 255,723,497,172. This value represent the number of ways in getting exactly 5 cards of the same suit upon dealing 13 cards from a deck of 52. Next is we're going to list down the combinations that consist of exactly 6 cards of the same suit upon dealing 13 cards from a deck of 52. First is 643. Next, 6421, 6331, 6322. Using the same principles as we did before, this is equal to 13 combination of 6 times 13 combination of 4 times 13 combination of 3. How many times can 4 suits be interchanged into this combination? So we have a total of 4 suits, and we're only going to get 3. 1, 2, 3. That is 4 permutation of 3. Here, 13 combination of 6 times 13 combination of 4 times 13 combination of 2 times 13 combination of 1. It covers all 4 suits, that is times 4 factorial. To cut this long solution short, here how it goes. This is for the 5-6 combination as we have illustrated for the 7 and 8. If you have questions, just write it in the comment sections. And 9. And getting the sum of all the totals for these combinations, we're going to have 376,580,678,760. This number represents the number of ways in getting one flush upon dealing 13 cards from a deck of 52. Or we may also say upon playing Chinese poker. Next is we're going to list down all combinations that contains 2 flush. And we'll be dividing that into 2 category. The 2 flush of different suit and 2 flush of the same suit. Let's list down the different combinations for 2 flush of different suit. First is 8-5, 7-6. 8 plus 5 is 13, 7 plus 6 is 13. 8 cards of the same suit, 5 cards of the same suit, 7 cards of the same suit, 6 cards of the same suit. Next, 7-5-1, 6-6-1, 6-5-2, 6-5-1-1. We are writing in descending order just like what we did before. 5-5-3, 5-5-2-1. We're going to use the same principle as we have done before. And once again, to cut this long solution short, this is how it goes. Okay. So, this is the total for the sets of card that contains 2 flush of different suit. Next is the sets of cards that contains 2 flush of the same suit. Let's begin with 13. If you are dealt with 13 cards of the same suit, of course, you'll be granted with 2 flush already. Although this is a very rare thing to happen. Next is 12-1, 11-2, 11-1-1, 10-3, 10-2-1, and the last is 10-1-1-1. If you are being dealt with 13, 12, 11, 11, 10, 10, 10, automatically you're going to have 2 flush. It's up to you whether you're going to arrange it that way. Okay, so once again, to solve these combinations, we're going to use the same principle. This equivalent to 13. Combination of, yes, 13. That is only equal to 1. And we have a total of 4 suits, so times 4. This is 13 combination of 12 times 13 combination of 1 times. We have a total of 4 suits, and then we're going to get only 2 times 4 permutation of 2. Let's discuss this one. This is 13 combination of 10 times 13 combination of 1 times 13 combination of 1 times 13 combination of 1. Once again, instead of raising this to 3, 13 combination of 1 raised to the power of 3, we're going to write it in full. Times, we have a total of 4 suits, and we're going to get 4. That is 4 factorial. A number being repeated thrice divided by 3 factorial. To cut it short, here how it goes. Okay, so we have a total of 10,688,240 only. And getting the sum of those 3 totals, we have this value, 412,247,470,340. And using the formula of probability, which is number of successful outcome over total outcome, we're going to have this. I'm not going to write the lowest term for this fraction. This is its decimal value, which is translated into 65%. Meaning, we're going to have a 65% chance of getting a flush upon playing Chinese poker. Ibig pong sabihin, meron tayong 65% na tsansa na makakakuha tayo ng pluses kapag naglalaro tayo ng Pusoy. That's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you've learned something.